So the bricks that I'll be using, I got off of Amazon, and they are 9 inches by 4.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and they're a insulated fire brick rated to 2300 degrees Fahrenheit. So in order to build to the dimensions that I need, I want an inside length of 18 inches. So in order to do this, I had to make it 5 bricks long. Okay, and here's how I'll set this up. I'll go 5 bricks long. I'll do our little side bricks here, and it's gonna work out to 2.5 bricks laid down sideways like this. So in order to accommodate that, I cut 1 brick in half. And there gives me my required length on the sidewalls. We'll stack them up right here. Then I've got another brick that I cut in half to use as the back wall. And that's what this is gonna be. It's gonna be the back wall. So it'll fit together like so. And I'll go ahead and use this refractory cement that I got off of, also got off of Amazon. This is Miko's Red Devil, and this is a 3000 degree Fahrenheit high temp cement or refractory cement. These are wonderful bricks. I did run into one problem though. In shipping, you can see on some of these bricks it had a lot of broken pieces. Some of them were completely broke, and that's okay because I'm gonna mend them with the refractory cement and all will be well. So on the opposite side, I'll affix the door. I'm gonna build a metal frame around it and what have you. And then I'll cement all the bricks together. And we'll go into that process now. We'll start working it out.